financial capital of India, Mumbai, witnessed a distinguished gathering of legal luminaries, corporate leaders, and members of the judiciary. Right Shift presents 15th Annual Legal Era Indian Legal Awards 2026 celebrated excellence, innovation, and achievements across India's rapidly evolving legal landscape. Top law firms, in-house legal teams, and veterans of the bar and bench came together for an evening of recognition, impact, and inspiration. The ceremony began with the traditional lamplighting, marking the start of a prestigious evening. Setting the tone for the evening, Akriti Raizada took to the stage with a welcome address that set the agenda for what promised to be an engaging and insightful evening ahead.
Legal Era Awards, this is in 15th year, is not just a celebration. It is a moment of reflection, gratitude, vision, as we mark 15th year of Legal Era Awards. Legal Era's journey has been as much about purpose as it is about progress. The journey of Legal Era began in 2009 with a simple yet powerful vision to create legal awareness. कानूनी जागरूकता के लिए हमने ये मिशन चालू किया था और हम एक ऐसा मंच बनाना चाह रहे थे जहां लोग आएं और जुड़ें. And Legal Era was born to build a platform that informs, connects, and empowers, learn, engages, and grow. Today, Legal Era has marked its footprints beyond India, also in Middle East and Africa and Southeast Asia. Legal Era name stands for legal education, legal research, and legal advocacy. And it is working towards the mission of bringing together one unified voice to work together. Today, we celebrate integrity, leadership, and impact. And with that, we welcome you all to this August gathering of stalwarts. Thank you so much.
Following the welcome address, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis joined the evening virtually, adding momentum to the evening's proceedings. Let's take a look.
My warmest greetings to everyone at the 15th Annual Legal Era Indian Legal Awards 2026. This illustrious platform has evolved into a beacon of excellence within India's legal landscape, honoring not just professional triumphs, but the enduring values of integrity, innovation, and unwavering commitment to justice that fortify our democracy. I commend the Association of Indian Law Firms and Legal Era Media Group for executing this milestone 15th edition, uniting the nation's eminent legal minds, honorable judges, senior advocates, general counsels, and trailblazing law firms. A robust, transparent, and visionary legal framework is indispensable for fostering investors' trust, safeguarding rights, and driving equitable progress. Maharashtra stands resolute in bolstering the rule of law, streamlining business operations, and nurturing legal innovation, ensuring our state remains India's premier hub for legal excellence.
The Hon'ble Governor of Maharashtra, Jishnu Varma, then addressed the gathering, sharing his thoughts on India's evolving legal and institutional landscape.
I congratulate Legal Era and the AILF on this landmark achievement and wish them continued success in the years ahead. The legal profession forms the background of a just and equitable society. It is the collective endeavor of lawyers, judges, corporate counsels, and arbitrators that transforms the Constitution's promises into lived realities for every citizen. It is the collective endeavor of lawyers, judges, corporate counsels, and arbitrators that transforms the Constitution's promises into lived realities for every citizen. In a nation as complex and diverse and aspirational as Bharat, the legal profession carries a responsibility of profound significance and far-reaching impact. Today, India is on the cusp of becoming a global economic powerhouse. Our GDP growth, our digital infrastructure, our manufacturing ambitions under Atmanirbhar Bharat, all of these result ultimately on the quality and integrity of our legal and regulatory framework. It is the lawyers seated in this room who draft the contracts, argue the disputes, counsel the corporations, and protect the rights that make India a reliable and attractive destination for India's investment, commerce, and growth.
Up next, distinguished dignitaries and guests of honor address the gathering, offering perspectives on leadership, growth, and the profession's road ahead. Let's take a look.
When we look at the Indian democracy, we as judiciary, of which I feel the bar and the bench are the two wheels of the same chariot, have great to contribute to the national growth. And when we look into the Part 4 and Part 4 of the Constitution of India, we have only one mission, and that mission is to wipe out the tears of millions of people who do not have their household, do not have proper education, do not have proper meal or a bed to go to sleep with. When we took independence 79 years down the line, we have to see whether in 1950, between 79 and 50, what we had promised to ourselves, whether we have been able to achieve that or not. I'm sure these all law firms of India, and especially this association, the Indian Association of Indian Law Firms and Legal Era, have been doing a great job. They will continue to do this great job of getting people from different parts of the country who are either into litigation or a solicitor to get together, meet, discuss, and see how best we can take this great nation forward and make it as a great superpower.
Legal Era stands for unwavering commitment to the rule of law and for upholding the ethos that justice must evolve with time. In an era where law intersects with technology, commerce, and global challenges, Legal Era embodies resilience and relevance. In a field often stereotyped by the image of a black-robed advocate arguing passionately before a judge. While that image is iconic and deserving of much reverence, it is, however, in fact, an incomplete description of the extensive and ever-expanding legal community. Legal Era recognizes that our Indian legal fraternity is a vast, multifaceted ecosystem. By pioneering awards since 2011, it has democratized recognition, fostering a system where talent trumps tenure. Honorable awardees, your contributions are the sinews of our economy. You are the guardians of corporate conscience, the weavers of wealth with wisdom. May your achievements echo through the legal fraternity and beyond.
Today, when we speak of global superpower Bharat, and when we are traveling towards the Vikasit Bharat, we must remember that strength is not measured by only size, markets, technology, or military capability. A truly strong nation is one where the rule of law is respected, where institutions functions with integrity, and where every stakeholder, be it a citizen, entrepreneur, worker, investor, and consumer, can rely on fairness. A nation becomes respected when its systems are trusted, and the trust is built in a large measure through the law.
Today, we have gathered to support the award winners here who have been working into this industry since a very long time. And Legal Era has continued this tradition to recognize their efforts since last 15 years. So today, we are happy and proud to be associated with Legal Era for 2026 awards.
The evening then moved to its most anticipated segment as the felicitation ceremony honored organizations and individuals who set new benchmarks across the profession. First up, the Legal Team of the Year, Alco Beverages, was awarded to Pernod Ricard India Private Limited. The Legal Team of the Year, Banking and Financial Services, was awarded to Axis Bank. Moving on, the Legal Team of the Year, Fintech, was bagged by PhonePe. Moving on, the Legal Team of the Year, Fintech, was bagged by Pine Labs. The next award, the Legal Team of the Year, FMCG, was awarded to Marico. The Legal Team of the Year, Information Technology, was clinched by Cognizant Technology Solutions India Private Limited. Next up, the Legal Team of the Year, Manufacturing, was presented to Tata Steel. The Legal Team of the Year, Retail, was claimed by Target. The next award, the Legal Team of the Year, Textiles and Apparel, was taken home by PDS Limited. Up next, the Compliance and Risk Management In-House Team of the Year was bagged by ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel India Limited. The Legal Team of the Year for Innovation, Strategies and Continuous Growth was awarded to LTI Mindtree. Welcome back. The felicitations continued with more leaders, remarkable achievements, and moments that honored excellence across the legal fraternity. Continuing our celebrations, the Legal Team of the Year overall was conferred upon Maruti Suzuki India Limited. And next, the India Legal Team of the Year was claimed by ITC Limited. Our next recognition, the Boutique Law Firm of the Year, White Collar Crimes, was bestowed upon Circle of Counsels. The next award, the Boutique Law Firm of the Year, Disputes Resolution, was presented to UBR Legal Advocates. AI and Copyright Law Firm of the Year was awarded to Anand and Nayak. Moving on, the Banking and Financial Services Law Firm of the Year was clinched by SNG and Partners. Up next, the Capital Market Law Firm of the Year was awarded to Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Moving on, the Competition and Antitrust Law Firm of the Year was claimed by Trilegal. The next award, the Dispute Resolution Law Firm of the Year, was awarded to Khaitan and Co. The Energy and Resources Law Firm of the Year was presented to Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. The Infrastructure and Project Finance Law Firm of the Year was clinched by DSK Legal. Up next, the Insolvency and Restructuring Law Firm of the Year was bagged by Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas and Co. Next up, the Intellectual Property Law Firm of the Year was presented to Anand and Anand. The M&A Law Firm of the Year was awarded to Khaitan and Co. The Media and Entertainment Law Firm of the Year award was taken home by DSK Legal. The Shipping and Maritime Law Firm of the Year was awarded to Bose and Mitra. Moving on, the Regional Law Firm of the Year, Hyderabad, was awarded to the Law Chambers. The Regional Law Firm of the Year, Ahmedabad, was bagged by none other than Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Continuing our celebrations, the Law Firm Award for Innovation, Strategies and Continuous Growth was conferred upon Khaitan and Co. The India Desk Asian Law Firm of the Year was secured by Raja Tan. And next, the India Law Firm of the Year was claimed by Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Our next recognition, the Young Achiever of the Year, 42 years and below, was bestowed upon Anirban Gupta, Deputy General Manager, Legal and Compliance, Risk Sustainability at Strides Pharma Science Limited. The Managing Partner of the Year was awarded to Cyril Shroff, Managing Partner Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Up next, the Lifetime Achievement Award was presented to Karnal Singh, Managing Partner, Circle of Counsels. Moving on, the India General Counsel of the Year was claimed by Sanjeev Sachdeva, Chief Legal Officer, Elan Group. Next up, the India General Counsel of the Year was Neetu Agarwal, General Counsel, Yes Bank. The next award, the Leadership Excellence Award for Continuous Growth as an In-House, was awarded to Parvathisam Kanchanadham, Company Secretary and Chief Legal Officer, Tata Steel. And now, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence and Creating Impact as a Law Leader was clinched by Rajbir Sachdeva. Next up, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence and Creating Impact as a Law Leader in Venture Capital Fund was presented to Neera Sharma. The Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence and Creating Impact as a Law Leader in IT Industry was conferred upon Vineet Vij. The Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence and Creating Impact as a Law Leader in Media Industry has been won by Zameer Nathani. Moving on, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence as a Media Lawyer was bestowed upon Anand Desai. The Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence as a Litigation and Disputes Lawyer was awarded to Amit Nayak. Continuing our celebrations, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence as a Law Leader in Banking and Finance Industry was presented to Rajesh Naren Gupta. The next one, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence as a Corporate M&A Law Leader of the Decade goes to none other than Highgrave Khaitan. Continuing our celebrations, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution as a Most Innovative IP Lawyer of the Decade was conferred upon Praveen Anand. And next, the Legal Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution and Excellence as a Corporate M&A Law Leader of the Decade was claimed by Cyril Shroff. From powerful speeches to landmark recognitions, Right Shift presents 15th Annual Legal Era Indian Legal Awards 2026 brought together the brightest minds shaping the future of law in India. With support from the Association of Indian Law Firms and the Ministry of Law and Justice and Legal Affairs Government of India, the evening reflected a shared commitment to excellence and progress within India's legal ecosystem. An evening that celebrated not just achievement but vision, integrity and the pursuit of excellence.